The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online at Fashion Premier Academy. Here we go. Okay, number 5, financials. Whether you use Excel or QuickBooks, this section includes the income statement, which is your revenues, expenses, and profits and losses over a specific period of time. Basically, it's your cash flow chart and the cash needed for the future. Also, it includes a sheet with initial startup costs. And finally, number 6, executive summary. This section covers the elevator pitch. If you don't know what an elevator pitch is, think of an elevator, right? And you're going from the ground floor to any floor. It'll take you about a minute. So in 1 minute, summarize what is your big idea? What is your big brand all about? What makes it unique? What makes it special? Also, quickly outline your target market, your target revenue, goals, and time frame. The executive summary should be written last, after all the numbers have been figured out. It can be a couple of paragraphs. So that is a business plan. Spend some time putting together a good, strong, solid business plan. Now, here is an example of a business budget. There are many variations, of course, but this is just a simple version to give you an idea of some of the items that you need to be aware of to include in a business plan and expenses. Before you start working on your business plan, watch the rest of this course, because in the next part of this course, in part 2, we'll discuss identifying your customer and manufacturing and production process and e-commerce and much, much more. So I will see you next class, all right? Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.